I'm Tristan with BMW Bakersfield. Welcome to your virtual Encore delivery. Pairing your iPhone is made simple through the new BMW iDrive 7. If you want to connect Apple CarPlay, you first want to make sure Siri is on. Information on connecting Siri is available through apple.com. To connect Bluetooth, come to your Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. Make sure Bluetooth is on. On the vehicle screen, select Communication, then select Mobile Devices. On the right side of the screen, select New Device. Here we'll select Phone Calls and Audio. Search for the corresponding BMW code on your device. Select the device. Once the pairing message pops up, accept and pair. Pair. Yes. At this point, you can decide if you want your contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. You're now able to choose to run BMW iDrive or use Apple CarPlay. Selecting BMW iDrive allows for you to control your contacts and phone calls from the screen. To change into Apple CarPlay, go into Mobile Devices, select your iPhone, Connection Mode, select Apple CarPlay. Once you confirm the note, accept it on your iPhone screen. Use CarPlay. Apple CarPlay allows for you to be hands-free using Siri. All you have to do is press the voice command icon on your steering wheel by holding it down. Call BMW of Bakersfield.
Calling BMW of Bakersfield. Mobile.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more BMW setup tutorials. Be sure to follow us on our multiple social media platforms so we can keep you up to date on your ultimate driving machine. BMW Bakersfield on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.